Okay, guys, we're back with another vlog. Oh, that was rough. Hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Shelly Fernandez, and this is my YouTube channel where I sew things. Today, we're not sewing. Today, we're doing another vlog. Today, I'm going to go thrifting and vlog it, but I'm doing it by myself this time, which I'm kind of scared. I'm scared. Because vlogging in public is scary, especially, I don't know, I might see somebody and be like, what the heck is that girl doing? But at the same time, who cares? Let me do what I want. Me talking to myself. Girl, let me do what I want. But before we get into that, I think this video is gonna come out end of May. Right now it's like beginning of May. It's like May 3rd. And I wanna know, at this point in time, my videos that I'm excited to post about has come out. In the comments, I wanna know if you guys like those videos, and I don't know. I haven't even made them yet at this time point, but I'm hoping it comes out really well. Comment down below what you guys thought about it, or go to that video and watch those two videos, the two Met videos, and watch if you guys like them. I just want to know. But anyways, let's get to the rest of this video. We're going thrifting, so I need to find an outfit. I have somewhat of an idea of what I want to wear. I have one piece of clothing that I think I want to wear, and then I might have to go off of that, but if I don't like it, it might switch. But let's see. It's getting warmer outside. It's like 70 degrees. It's gonna be 75, and I want to take advantage of the warmthness before, I don't know, it starts to rain or something. So because it's supposed to rain this whole week, and I'm just like, girl, let there be sun, please. We have cold and now rain. But I kind of want to wear this skirt. I usually wear this as like a cover up for the beach only when I'm at the beach, but I kind of want to see if I could try styling it. I had an idea with this pink ribbon. Let me go get it. So I had an idea to use this pink ribbon. I wanted to kind of like pull one side of the skirt up like this, like that, and with pins, and then put ribbons through the bobby pins. In my mind it sounds good, but will it look good? I guess we'll find out. This skirt, I have to figure out what top I'm wearing because I have no idea. First contestant for this skirt is this brown no sleeve shirt. I've been really into this type of shirt. I've got a lot from the thrift store last time I went, but I got this in London when I went to London at Weekly Day. I actually never heard of this brand until I went to London, but they had a lot of cute stuff, but this is the only thing I had. I mean, only thing I got. Other contendants, I don't know. Thrifted shirt that I got, another no sleeve shirt. I thrifted it and then I tailored it to fit my waist better. And then the last I don't know if I'm saying that right. The last piece is this shirt. It's from Pull & Bear. I got it in Portugal. Which one will win? I'm leaning towards the brown top or this black top because then I could wear my pink sambas. I wish I had flats. I need to invest in some flats that I could wear with skirts because all I have is sneakers, and I'm like, sometimes sneakers are not for the outfit I'm making, but since I don't have flats, I'm just like, okay girl, you have to settle. So let me go try putting these on and then see how I like it. All right, change of plans. Scratch everything I said about the bows. And all the other shirts are out. Oh, excuse this mess. We're gonna do it like that. I tried on the shirt, the brown shirt, as you can see, with the skirt, and it looks really good. Let me back you guys up to see. Can y'all see? It looks really good. So we're gonna keep this just like this. Shoes wise, girl, I don't know. I might just wear my flip flops, but I don't know if I want to have my toes out like that. So, oh, also I did get this skirt from the thrift store. It's kind of falling apart. There's a lot of holes. I don't know what type of thread you were using, or I just wish it wasn't falling apart. Like the only time I ever wear it is at the beach. So now that I have my outfit, I have to do my hair, brush my teeth, do my makeup. It is a Saturday. It is 12 o'clock. Let me go do that list of stuff and then we'll go thrifting. How do I want to do this transition? I'll just walk on and walk off, honestly. I don't want to do, or I could do. No, okay. We're all ready to go to the thrift store. First, we're gonna go to Community Aid and then I think Goodwill, but let's do a fit check. Fit check. I'm wearing flip-flops because I don't have ballet flats. The ballet flats would look really cute with this outfit, but unfortunately I don't have any. check out my Instagram for some pictures. On my Instagram, I do post more on my stories, but I'm gonna try to post more on just like regular posting. But oh wait, and then my bag. So we're here at the thrift store and I'm kind of scared to film in public, so bear with me. I'll do my best. I'm trying not to be weird. I like mainly came here to find like fabric for my skirt. It is absolutely so hot in here, but I just finished. I felt so awkward filming, but hopefully the footage is good. But we're going to our next location, Goodwill. So let's go. There's no music playing, but slay. Guys, this is me doing a voiceover because I don't know what happened with this footage and other footages I have. There's no sound and I don't know why. I think it's because I was transferring this from my phone to my computer, go back to my phone. But yeah, this footage has no sound. All my footage from the second thrift store I went, I forget which one, it doesn't have any sound either. And it's just like pointing at the ceiling because I was too nervous to record myself. But I was talking in those. I'll do better, trust. I'm trying to figure this thing out, but yeah, thank you. She's looking oily. I'm getting so oily because it's so hot outside. I'm at Joann Fabrics. I'm gonna get like boning zipper and look at black fabric to see maybe if I find something better. Hopefully they have good sales because Joann's is closing, sadly. But yeah, let's go in. So, okay, we're gonna talk like this. So they had like nothing. I didn't get anything. They're leaving in like a month. I don't know what I'm gonna do because this is where I go for like all my supplies. Yeah, they didn't have anything. I was supposed to get like a bunch of stuff for my list for this Met Gala thing I'm trying to do. All I got was like ties and black fabric that might work. That's not good. So I have a week to try to source. I think I'm gonna order the boning. I can go to Walmart for the zipper. I have tulle at home. I just need to find the lining and then I need to find a hat. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. And I need to find a jacket. I was gonna get a jacket today, but I was like, maybe I should wait till like have the fabric I want so I can match. Yeah, we have a lot of dilemmas. This is kind of very last minute thing and I should have planned more. And I'm like just now starting to plan out my videos, which is crazy. I think now I'm gonna go home, but I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna do a haul. And I think my package came. Okay, let's go. She's here. Thrift haul. Guys, my package came. This is gonna be played in the middle of the video because I'm gonna do another unboxing, but this is future me from this morning. But we're gonna do an unboxing of this like equipment I got to elevate my videos a bit more and make things a bit more easier when I'm filming. So let's unbox. Okay, we got her. Let's unbox her. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. And it goes so tall. I'm gonna be using this a lot. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the mic. I really hope this is good. I didn't really want to spend like hundreds of dollars on a mic, even though I know it was going to be good quality. That's a big investment. I went kind of like medium price to just like have a starter, and then if I want to upgrade in the future, then I can upgrade. So hoping this works. Ooh, I think this is the charger. Okay. Oh yes, this is the charger. I'm just gonna put that back in there so I don't lose it. This is the mic. Ooh, I like how it comes with a case. That's really nice. Okay, let's test her out. Instructions. I think I might have to charge it first. Let me see. We're gonna switch locations. I need my computer for this, so transition. Testing 1 2 3. Is it working? This is so weird. Okay, this is me using the mic. I'm gonna check if the volume is good or if it sounds a bit crazy. Okay, I think the volume sounds pretty good. I pinned it onto my shirt just to see how it feels. I don't know about wearing this outside. I don't know. I might just like hold it. See, okay, it's like hitting my chin. I might just hold it and like talk to it when I need to. But that's the unboxing. Let's take it back. Yeah, let's take it back to the next segment. Editor Shelly here. Today is Saturday, June 7th. I posted the Met video a week or two ago, and God, it's at 1.5k views. And I have 500 subscribers now. What? Thank you so much. I'm so glad that video like kind of blew up. It's my first video that got 1k views on it, and I'm glad that was my first video because I spent so much time on that, and I'm proud of that work. Thank you to everyone who watched that and who subscribed. To all my new subscribers, thank you for the support. I'm still trying to figure out like posting scheduling and how I want to do that, because I'm trying to figure out with that with my job and like posting and having time to edit and also having time to just make the whole thing and stuff, the turnover time of posting videos. I'm trying to still work with that, so if I'm not super consistent, that's why. But I'm trying to be very consistent because it's paying off. Yeah, I'm at 500 subscribers now when like I was at 0 a couple months ago. Really trying to stick to some type of consistency, even if it's like every 2 weeks I post. And I'm realizing I want to do more quality and longer videos maybe, and then I want to put some vlogs in there, and then maybe I'll do some thrift flips here and there. But yeah, I really like the way I did the video, the Met video I just posted, so I want to do more videos like that. But yeah. Okay, let's go back to the video. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know I said I was gonna unpackage something else, but I decided not to because I'm so tired, and I still wanna film the unboxing, but just maybe not in this vlog. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it in the Met vlog, so you guys might have already seen it if you've seen that video. Not Met vlog, Met sewing video. That's gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos, and yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out my Instagram and TikTok, Shelly Fernandez, and yeah, bye.